Good morning. Let's get ready for church. I really wanted that as soon as you wash your face, you have to blow your nose. I'm gonna do my skincare. I'll be right back. Okay, done. On Friday, I did a little TJ Maxx haul, which that video will be coming, but I got these jeans, so I think I'm gonna wear these today. Also got this sweater yesterday. Disclaimer, I know this outfit's not gonna be for everybody, but I personally really love it. So here is what we are working with. I paired it with my Air Force Ones. The jeans are a little short, but this era, we can wear shorter jeans and it's okay. It's a lot, but I like it. Honestly, giving like 70s, maybe a little bit of like dad vibes. It's not terrible, but we definitely need to refresh, especially like right back here. All of this is frizz ball. Take my water bottle and spray the areas that I feel like need to be refreshed. A little bit of the Less All-in-One Styler. I'm gonna mix that with some water. And then I'm gonna start to kind of smooth it over and start picking up areas and just what they call milking the hair. Now we hit it with the diffuser. A few drops of oil to finish it off. It's not perfect, but it's much better. And I'm not looking for perfection because this is 5th day hair. It is very rainy and dreary out today. Boo. Iron. I often get asked, do these supplements hurt my stomach when I take them in the morning? No, they do not. That's specifically why I take the kinds that I take, because they're formulated to be able to take in the morning on an empty stomach. So that's what I do. B3, B12.
Today we're going to take 496 supplements. So much that there's no room for breakfast.
Shut up. He thinks he's a comedian. Caught him taking his supplements. I gotcha. I didn't even get to take my first sip of coffee yet. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I just posted a review of this product yesterday. This is the Skin Silk from Makeup Revolution. I am going to mix F1 and F6 today because I feel like that other one was a little too light for me. Here's where we're at. She's looking gorge. Y'all, I am breaking out the Tarte Shape Tape. I have not used this in like probably more than a year. I haven't been loving my other concealers recently. Persona Bronzer. Who is watching the Super Bowl today? To be honest, this year, I couldn't care less about it. Usually love sports, but I've not followed the teams this year at all. Probably more so because I got so sick of hearing about Taylor Swift I could scream. And I get it, your boyfriend's a player, you should be there supporting him and all of that, but it was like the media was giving her more attention than they were her boyfriend that was making it to the Super Bowl. So will I watch the Super Bowl this year? Probably. I'll probably still watch it, but I'm just not excited about it. Makeup Jelly Tint in the shade Burst. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit. Oh, let me spread that out. Mayday, mayday, we have a problem. I've never put it over powder, and I just put it over quite a bit of powder, and it's patchy. Oh, that's not good. I'm trying to top it with this ColourPop blush in the shade Adore Me, and still a little patchy, but it's getting better. Okay, 3 blushes later and a lot of powder. I think we're okay. With all that powder, I definitely need some setting spray. The brows are looking extra bushy today, and I'm not mad about it. Makeup by Mario Masters Metallic Palette. I'm using this shade right here. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I felt like it would match the sweater pretty good, so that's what we're using. It actually doesn't match at all, and it's going on patchy. What is going on today? So far, I'm not liking this. I'm going to go into the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Palette and just try to buff out these edges, because, honey, it ain't looking right. I'm going to go in with ColourPop Ladybird. Honestly, this is one of those looks that I should stop right now. I can't help myself, and I'm hoping that it will get better. Okay, I think this is making it better. Just added a little bit of pencil eyeliner. If you're looking for a really good pencil liner, this one from Give Beauty, this is in the shade Spider Webs, but this formula is definitely my favorite. It's creamy enough that you can blend it out, but it's also firm enough that it doesn't go anywhere. Mascara, this is my current favorite. It's the Panorama from, I think, L'Oreal. This mascara does not flake, smear, or budge. More setting spray. For lips, we're doing Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. Flawless Platinum Lipstick. Going back in with that pencil a little bit. To gloss or not to gloss? That is the question. I'm going to do a little bit of the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Reef. Okay, finished makeup. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with these earrings. I can't remember where I got these, but I love them. Actually, I do remember. I will tag the company. I have this ring that has all of my daughter's birthstones on it. To go full late 80s, early 90s vibe, I'm gonna pair it with this jean jacket. It is from Lady Code, which is the brand that I created my palettes and everything with. How cute is this jacket? That's the look, y'all. Happy Sunday. I love you guys so, so much.